Reiner's son, Nick, pleads not guilty to murder of his parents. Rob Reiner's son, Nick, has pleaded not guilty to 2 counts of first-degree murder in the fatal stabbing of the actor-director and his wife, Michele Reiner. Reiner's lawyer, Deputy Public Defender Kimberly Green, entered the plea on his behalf as he appeared behind glass in court in Los Angeles. The 32-year-old, the third of Rob Reiner's 4 children, has been held without bail since his arrest hours after the 78-year-old director and his wife were found dead at their home in the Brentwood area of LA on December 14th. Reiner, who was in court with his head shaved and wearing brown jail clothes, talked briefly to his lawyer before the hearing and spoke only to answer yes to a question from the judge. The judge told Reiner to return to court on April 29th for the scheduling of a preliminary hearing, where prosecutors will present evidence and a judge will decide if it is enough for Reiner to go to trial. Speaking outside court, District Attorney Nathan Hochman said his office still has not decided whether it will seek the death penalty for the defendant. Reiner's previous lawyer quit the case at a hearing in January because of what he called circumstances beyond his and his client's control. The high-profile private lawyer said legal ethics would not allow him to say why, but speaking outside the courthouse, he declared that pursuant to the laws of California, Nick Reiner is not guilty of murder. He was replaced by a public defender. Meanwhile, Deputy District Attorney Habib Balian said his office is still awaiting a full post-mortem report, but all other evidence has been turned over to the defense. Rob Reiner and his 70-year-old wife died from multiple sharp force injuries, the LA County Medical Examiner said in its initial findings. Authorities said they were killed hours before their bodies were discovered. A court order has prevented the release of further details.